Hi, my G's. So I made some blackened catfish on a bed of buttered seasoned rice, some asparagus, cauliflower steak, and I made a nice little sauce or whatever. But to get started, I went to the market. I got me some delicious catfish. I wanted some monkfish, but they didn't have any. I was so disappointed, but that is a-okay. I'm gonna go ahead with my catfish, just cleaning them off, and then I am going to pat them dry. Make sure you washing your hands before, after, during, all of that. Okay, so after I got the fish cleaned, I went ahead and pat the fish dry, and then I'm gonna flip it on the back side and oil them down, and then I'm gonna season it with some blackened seasoning. After each seasoning, I am gonna rub it in. So blackened seasoning, Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna hit it with some chili powder, some paprika, and some dill weed. Y'all know the dill weed with the fish. It is chef's kiss. If you do not like dill weed, check yourself. Now flip your fish over and repeat the seasoning method. If it don't look like this, you need to do it again. Now I'm going to prep my asparagus by just chopping the ends off, getting them soaking in some water to clean. And then I'm going to go ahead with my head of cauliflower. I'm going to cut those in some steaks. I'm going to saute the cauliflower in some butter, season it with some sea salt and black pepper, put it in the oven to finish roasting. I am going to go ahead and get started on my asparagus. I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to take the thicker pieces of asparagus and put those down in the pan first, just so they can cook a little bit, because it takes them longer to cook all the way. And once the butter melts fully, I'm going to toss them in the butter so that they're all coated in that butter. And then I'll go ahead and toss in the rest of the asparagus, the little pieces that I had cut. And then I'm going to let that cook a little more. When it's about done, season it with some salt, some pink Himalayan salt, and some coarse black pepper flakes. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit that with some butter and some garlic paste. And once the butter melt and the garlic paste is in that butter, y'all, I tossed the asparagus all up in that sauce. And when I tell you, oh, I dropped a little piece out of my pan and I ate it. Oh my God, it was so good. But y'all know how I get down. Now let's get started on this fish. So I melted some butter and I put a little avocado oil in the pan. Then I'm going to saute my fish top down. That's just how I like to do it. You can do it however you want to do it. But look at how seasoned that fish is. I promise you, if you follow the steps the way I'm telling you, it's going to turn out amazing. So then on top of that, when you flipping your fish, you're going to have to make sure you flip it quick and gently. Otherwise, your fish is liable to break. That's not my problem. That is yours. Now, tell me that this fish don't look good. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me. Now we got everything together. We gonna plate it up. I put my fish on my butter seasoned rice, put the asparagus on there, and my cauliflower steak with my sauce. Y'all, I'm gone. Don't play with me.